bought this chair set. It comes with 2 chairs. I already put one together just to see how easy it was to assemble, and my goodness, a 5-year-old could do this for you. So you take it apart. It comes in these 3 pieces. So you have the back cushion, you have the seat cushion, and then you have the frame. This part here goes into the supports, and then you put it in place there. Then you grab the bolt kit. It comes with everything you need to be able to go off of. These shorter bolts and the washer go onto the holes for the back kit that are here underneath the supports. That's where those go. And then the seat, it does not say that you need a washer, and it actually does not come with enough washers to even be able to do it. You use the longer bolts to be able to put through here for the seat cushion. And then you're done. It really is that easy, and these go in so easily. The only thing you might need to do is when you're putting in the long ones and the short ones is you don't tighten any of the bolts until after you've put the bolts on both cushions. And that way, if this one here needs to snug up, you can snug it up a little bit and then tension it up. Comes with the tool you need to be able to tighten the bolts, everything you need, really easy and really beautiful.
And here they are after. I think they just look so stylish. I really, really like them. Also, the sit and feel of them, they're really, really comfortable and cushiony. So I approve. I think you're going to absolutely love them. We've replaced our other chairs. They were just kind of looking a little dated. So I think these are great if you're looking for a nice modern upgrade.